Hi there, welcome to my video. I'm going to show you the best applications for a Mac today. The first app I'm going to show you is called AppFresh. AppFresh is a great utility program which shows you all the updates that are available for your applications. So as you can see from the list, these are all applications that have updates already available for them. So if we take Firefox for example, all we would do is right click it, click install. It would then take me to the Firefox web page where I would download the updated version, and this would then download in the window file. Now, I'm not a fan of Firefox 3.5, so I'm going to stick to my 3.1 version and delete this. But as you can see, it's really easy to update all your applications without having to go into the application themselves and seeing if there are any updates available for them. So that one is called AppFresh. Now, the next program I'm going to show you is called CleanApp. Now, CleanApp is a great utility program for removing applications, so the opposite of AppFresh. And what CleanApp does better than most programs is it deletes all the folders associated with an application. So let's take Vuze for example. So instead of just dragging and dropping Vuze into the trash, you can go to prepare to delete and it will show you all the folders associated with Vuze. And the fact that they're ticked means that these folders will then be deleted permanently. So it's really good for keeping track of all your applications and whether or not you use them often or not, and just critically making sure that you delete every folder that that application represents in your hard drive. So that is called CleanApp. Now the next application is called Frostwire. Now Frostwire is exactly like LimeWire on the PC. It's a really good online downloading program for things like songs, MP3 players, MP4 videos, and it's really quite quick. So if we type in audio here and we'll go for songs done by Paramore, as you can see it brings up results really quickly, and all you have to do, double click one, and as you can see in the bottom it's downloaded now, and it will probably take about 30 seconds really. There we are, 31 seconds. So again, Frostwire really good with anything to do with small files like MP3s and things like that. And I use Frostwire alongside Vuze. Now Vuze is a BitTorrent client, and it's better than most BitTorrent clients because of its built-in search function. Usually you have to find a file on the internet and then save it to your desktop and then access the BitTorrent from there. Whereas Vuze, you can simply type something like Photoshop in, and as you can see it organises the search results by rank, which means that the highest rank has the most seeds and the most peers, which then effectively means that it's going to download the quickest. So you can take any one of these, and once you've clicked on it you can see all the comments people have left and how you go about setting all this up. And you simply click on the title itself, which will then take you into the downloads, and as you can see in a matter of seconds it should start downloading. There you are, it's downloaded now. So I use Vuze for anything to do with applications and larger folders, and I use this alongside Frostwire for my songs and my videos and things like that. So that program is called Vuze. Now the next one I'm going to show you is something called Skitch. Skitch is a program that lets you take print screens of certain, or whatever is on your Mac screen really. Now to usually do this you would have to go Apple key, Shift and 4, and as you can see you follow the cross apex, drag, click, and this will then sit on your desktop like so, and you have the picture to send to anyone. With Skitch, you open up Skitch and you click on the snap at the top right, and again it will give you the apex, which you then drag and click as we did a minute ago, and the difference is it'll open it up in the Skitch program. And from here you can then show people exactly what you're on about when you're doing print screens. So you can say, look, this is me, Design to Create, and I'll leave a little message for you just to say Design to Create. This is me, and it's really simple then, because at the bottom there's a drag me button, and you would literally drag it to wherever you wanted to put it, into Mail, onto your desktop. You double click it and there you have it, an edited version of print screen, which is really simple and intuitive. So that program is called Skitch. There you can see it there. Now the next program application I want to show you is called CandyBar. Now CandyBar is great for customizing all your icon docs, and you can get all the icons for your docs or your applications from various websites. I use customize.org, and I've downloaded a few of them, as you can see on the bottom panel here, and you simply go into the settings, import folder of icons, and then you just select your folder of icons that you've downloaded from the internet. So for example, if we go into my recent applications, we'll try and change the Skype button icon here. So we'll click on my icons. Now first of all we will find the Skype, which is here. There's only two of them because I've copied and pasted my applications into another folder so that I can use them here, which are ones that are most often used. So that's why there are two of them. So let's take another icon. We'll take any icon for Skype. We'll do this VW bug. Now, all you do is click the icon and drag. And we'll do it twice because I've got two of them. And as you can see, that icon is now changed. So all we do is apply icons. We'll type in the password, and it'll tell us to relaunch the dock. Okay. Now, we should be able, when we go in here, to see that Skype has now changed its icon. So it's a really good way to customize your dock, especially like me. I wasn't happy with the default that Apple have, so I've changed things like my Finder, my Firefox, iTunes, iPhoto, system preferences, and they now look really different and unique, so I'm really happy with that. So that one was called CandyBar. Now the next one I'm going to show you is called iSerialReader. iSerialReader is a really good application I downloaded from the internet, and it's basically a huge list of serial numbers for all different applications. As you can see, there are loads on the left here. I downloaded one for Microsoft Office the other day, which proved very useful. I'll just go try and find it now. So there it is, Microsoft Office, and then you click on the Serials tab, and there you have it. There's a serial number at the top, which is one I used, and you simply just click it and it will copy it, as you can see in the red, and then all you'd have to do is paste it into the serial box. And it's got all the different versions here. As you can see, there's loads of different serials for it, so a really good application for all your serials. Now the final application I want to show you is called Adium. Now I did download MSN Messenger for Mac, I just did not like it. So I went on the Adium website and I chose Adium because the amount you can customize it. And there are loads of customizable options on the website itself. And as you can see, my Adium is on the bottom left here. It's quite a unique design, and I've just downloaded these things from the Adium website. My appearance is called Universal Black. My messages is called Modern Bubbling. So, simply hello, and it comes up as a little bubble. And it's just, I just prefer it a lot more to MSN. So, those are all my applications that I wanted to show you. I've listed where you can download them all on the right in more information. So, I hope you go ahead and have a look at them, and I hope it's proved useful. Thank you.